Today's video is on how to create a custom map in Google Maps. Before going to understand this, you are requested to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to encourage us, so that we can make more such useful tutorials for you. A custom map in Google Maps doesn't allow you to create a new landscape. You're stuck with planet Earth. What it does allow you to do, however, is add your own landmarks, routes, and locations. You can also draw your own shapes onto the existing map to add detail to the existing map. While you can view a custom map in the Google Maps app for Android and iOS, you can only create it using the web version of Google Maps on your desktop. Step 1. To start, head to the Google Maps website and sign in using your Google account. Once you're signed in, press the hamburger menu icon in the top left. Step 2. In the Options menu, click the Your Places option. Step 3. In the Your Places menu that appears on the left, click the Maps tab. At the bottom of the menu, select the Create Map button. Step 4. The map creation window will appear in a new tab. To name it, select the Untitled Map text at the top of the menu on the left. Step 5. In the Edit Map Title and Description menu, add a name and description for your map and then click Save to save it. Step 6. Your custom map is made up of layers, with the base map layer, the main Google Maps view, at the bottom. You can customize the appearance of the base map layer by selecting the options arrow next to base map and choosing a different map theme. Step 7. When you create a new custom map in Google Maps, a new untitled layer is added by default. You can add as many layers as you want to your custom map, allowing you to separate the different components of your new map from each other by clicking the Add Layer button. Step 8. If you want to rename this layer, select the three-dot menu icon next to the layer and then click Rename Layer in the drop-down menu. To delete it, select Delete Layer instead. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook page.